Right, we are back for day number 70 and we took a win finally. I decided to go full size from now on just because I've been so patient and consistent, not consistent, but patient with my entries. Uh, so I decided to go back to full size and really don't care if I lose this account or not because I still got another one that has 50,000. So we ended up getting 387, but I'm actually a little bit disappointed because I was supposed to TP three contracts here, so I opened this with four contracts, right? And I was supposed to just TP three contracts here and then let one run. But because these are linked orders, when I TP'd free, this order disappeared over there. And I came here and I go trade, create new order, and I put one. Um, Actually, it was like buy one, and apparently it was like on market instead of limit. I don't know why. So it just market executed me out, and yeah, I just got out here, and that hurt my risk to reward quite a bit. This was supposed to be like 400, and it gave me 387, which I'm not complaining, but it's just, I messed up the orders yesterday as well. This can't keep going like that. I need to pay more attention to what I'm doing. But I just wanted like to be so fast because I've put the stop here, and I had like a mental stop of like if it goes above this wick, I'm gonna TP. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna let it run and just trail, 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 trail. So going into the day, let's start going into the analysis. Going into the day, I noticed this gap, but um, we were so bearish. If you look at the 12 hour, if you look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour, I would have been betting that the candle at the time the candle was here, I would have been betting that the daily would look like this, right? So at least at some point in time, the daily candle would look like this, right? And what are the odds of this order block right here creating this whole movement when we are just so bearish? So I actually was being very careful given the fact that you got this daily order block, and at the same time not being careful because of this, the candle would just look like a mess. If that happened, I'm not saying it cannot happen. Plenty of cases where that has happened. I'm sure I can find, like, look at this. So yeah, the 12-hour bearish. I mean, sure, we could go all the way up here, but I don't see us going there in a day. And so I just decided to follow the 4 hour and the 1 hour and the 15-minute trend. So I started marking, and I said New York might reverse up into the 1 hour order block, and then we test the order block and then go lower. So I'll see if there's setups in that. And so I marked the fair value gap right here. I marked the 15-minute fair value gap over here, and I was just keeping in mind that price could stop here. When I see this candle close below here, I'm saying, okay, shorts are on. However, I wanted actually to short here. But I'm seeing these candles and these wicks, and I'm thinking this could reverse, take me out. So I'm going to wait for a 1 minute market structure because I want to wait. I actually got filled on this candle. I want to wait also for the closure of this candle, and I want to get filled on the manipulation of this candle. And then when price retraces, I want to be short, right? So we ended up, I just said, okay, I'm going to get filled here because I don't want to risk put my entry here and get front run. That would have happened. So, okay, I'm going to put my entry here. I'm going to put my stop above here. There's a chance, and this was making me worried, there's a chance that we might go to this fair value gap, like quick test and then down. But then again, I was targeting this. I was targeting the 50% of the daily fair value gap. So I was just targeting there because, you also have this. So price could just stall around there for a little bit and just chop around. So yeah, I decided to put the stop there, just in case we touched and then went lower. Just we touched to the tick and then went lower, and yeah, it was basically smooth sailing from there. When I saw this candle right here, I thought we would invert this and possibly go here, but at the time my stop was already here. So price ended up going to TP. I hate seeing this run because my plan was to put this as a runner and I messed it up. But yeah, it is what it is. Can't complain. We took a winner. It's refreshing to take a winner. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go on about my day, and with go on about my day, I mean tape reading because I got nothing else to do. But I won't be placing any more trades. I'm just trying to put hours in and practice into this. So hope you enjoyed, and I see you next week for day number 71.